seen Aaron's stock trading app. Okay, why do we need a trading app in today's world? In today's fast-paced financial markets, access to real stock data and market insight is crucial for investors, traders, and financial enthusiasts. Traditional methods of tracking stocks through websites or financial news channels can be inefficient or slow. A mobile trading app provides convenience, access to stock data anytime, real-time updates, and you can buy a stock. Efficiency to search stocks up, analyze, track stock performance quickly, and that's where my app comes in. My app stands out because it combines simplicity, speed, and essential features in a user-friendly interface, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It focuses on real-time data, fetches the most up-to-date stock prices, and changes using FinHub API. The API listed under the proposals. FinHub, it's a free API. You grab the information from the website and it fetches that data and displays it. Dynamic search allows users to search for specific stocks and get instant results. News integration provides the latest market news to keep users informed about trends and development. Secure authentication ensures users' data is protected through Firebase authentication and a smooth UI UX. Clean, responsive design that simplifies navigation and improves user experience. Key features: real-time stock tracking and search and filter stocks and market news feed, state management, and secure login screen. All right, so you might think oh, this sounds familiar to the default stock trading app on iPhone. Yeah, I based my app around that essentially, but still I still kept it within the proposal. What my proposals was being able to search up stock data, log in, log out, newsfeed, and all that. So I just decided to try to copy the default Apple stock app. The similarities are you see the default Apple stock on the left and then my app on the right. The only difference really, mine have the date and time. Let's say it says Wednesday, December 17th or December 15th, and it has the user's name. It says hello, Aaron Kone, which you sign up for. You put your own username. It shows the chart data right here. It'll be a 252 change 134. Google 196 change 0.18. It gives the real time data. So, and then it gives you the little news feed. I tried my best to try to copy it as best as I could possibly, but everything's from scratch. I created a code from scratch and I tried my best to make it. My app aligns closely with the iPhone stock app by offering real-time stock tracking, displays live stock prices, personalized watch lists. Users can add up to 3 stocks onto their watch list. I allowed only 3 because there's not a lot of room clearance, so only 3 stocks could be added to your watch list, and you can search up any stock. Financial news integration, alignment with my wireframe proposal. The final app matches my initial proposal wireframe closely. The login screen, the dashboard, which greets user and highlights market trends, just like the proposal. The stock details screen focuses on stock-specific data, while the newsfeed screen delivers up-to-date financial articles. With a strong foundation that matches my vision, my app delivers. My bad. I'm kind of stuttering. I might need a sip of water. With a strong foundation, my matches my vision, my app delivers essential stock trading tools while remaining scalable for future enhancement like portfolio management and advancement analytics. This ensures users have everything they need to stay ahead of the stock market. Right? My app is essentially just the Apple stock. trading app, but I with my own little twist, my own little UI. It's not as colorful, but it works. So, introduction to my stock trading app. All right. Essentially, this app is designed to provide a user-friendly way to access real-time stock data, keep track of market trends, stay updated with the latest financial news. The idea for this app started with the creating clean and intuitive wireframe that focus on simplicity and efficiency. At the core of this app is the stock model, which is foundational class representing stock data as shown in this code snippet. This is my stock code. How I was going to grab the data. Going to grab the current price change, percent change. Yeah. Symbol represents the stock ticker. Current price represents the live price of the stock. Change represents the price difference from previous close. Percent change, the percent movement in the stock. This data structure forms the building block of the entire app, ensuring that the stock information is handled efficiently. Designed to access market data, provide a user-friendly experience. Wireframe design and the code structure, fundamental, foundational classes like stock model is shown below. Okay, key features of the app. All right, the stock fetching class API. First, the app fetches real-time stock data from FinHub API, ensuring users get up-to-date prices and changes. Second, users can search dynamically for specific stocks as they type. The app fetches and displays matching stock data instantly. Third, I implemented the state management using Flutter's provider package. This ensures efficient handling of stock data and seamless UI updates. For example, in the code snippet I provided on the left side right here, I initialized a list of default stocks such as Apple, Google, and Microsoft. When you first log in, there's going to be default stocks that everybody uses, which is similar to the default stock app on iPhone. It shows the first list of stocks, and then you can search up any stock you want to look up. The method fetches stock prices using the FinHub API, updates the state using Notify Listener. This approach keeps the app responsive and ensures the UI reflects the latest stock data without delays. Overall, these features make the app dynamic, fast, and reliable for anyone who wants to track stock prices. Next, I'm going to move on to user authentication. Okay. Security is essential for any app, so I implemented a secure login and sign-up functionality through Firebase authentication, which is what we started using at like the beginning of the class, implementing Firebase and using Firebase. On the login screen, users are required to enter their email, password. If any field is empty, the app prompts the user to fill it in. The authentication service class handles the actual login logic. Here's the snippet right here below that checks for empty fields, processes the login, and handles errors gracefully. For example, if the credentials are invalid, the user receives a clear message through a snack bar that shares a smooth experience and avoids frustration for the user. By centralizing the authentication logic in the auth service class, the code remains clean, modular, and easier to maintain. Okay. Data integration. Now let's talk data integration, which is the core of this app. All right. The app connects to FinHub API, fetches real-time stock data, including the stock current price, the change in price, the percent change. In the code snippet, I showed the get stock quote, right? And It works as a HTTP GET request to the FinHub API, processes the JSON response, and maps the data to a stock object. I've also included error handling so that if the API call fails, the app logs the issue gracefully and avoids crashing. This method ensures that the user receives accurate and reliable stock information. The centralized API logic in the FinHub service Dart makes it easier to scale, add more endpoints in the future. UI UX design search bar stock list, right? This is the UI and UX. Essentially, the search bar after you first land on the landing screen. The user interface focuses on two main components. The search bar, this allows users to type in the stock symbol, search for real-time data. The stock list displays the search results of a list of default stocks in a clear, readable format. As shown in the code snippet, the search bar listens for users' input and triggers the search stock method in the stocks provider class. This dynamically updates the display stock data in real time. The stock list uses Flutter list view widget to show each stock with the symbol, current price, the price change, and percentage change. With colored coding to indicate gains or losses, this design ensures that users can quickly search and interpret stock data without confusion. Real-time updates on the home screen and news feed. The home screen combines two features, stock data and market news. You already know what's going on with the stock data, fetches it from the API. Market news, the app fetches news headlines from the FinHub API, displays them in a scrollable list format. In the code snippet for the home screen, I integrate the stock search and stock list along the newsfeed widget. The newsfeed ensures users stay updated with important financial news, which is fetched dynamically and displayed in real time. This combination of real-time stock data and market news provides users with all the essential information they need in one place. Now the conclusion. Right before I get to test out the app for you. So it's not really too much to a stock trading app. It's display the stocks, fetch the data, and you can search up a stock and it show the real-time chart data, and that's it. And implementing the news feed at the bottom so users can check it out. The app successfully provides real-time stock trading using FinHub. Secure and seamless user authentication. Features a clean and intuitive UI UX design. Displays real-time news updates. Portfolio management, letting users to track and manage stock portfolio. Advanced analytics provides detailed stock data and changes. These additions make the app even more powerful and useful for investors and stock enthusiasts alike. Thank you for your time and attention. Happy to show you my app. All right, time for testing. This is my app essentially loaded up on the left side right here for you to see. Boom. And then I'm going to go to Firestore. Okay. The reason why I'm going to Firestore so I can show you how it works. All right. So let's say, all right, you have opened up the app. This is what you're going to see. First is the login screen. Let me move it over to the left a little bit. First is the login screen, right? I mean, not the left to the right. All right. If you don't have an account, let's say I type in blah blah blah.com and a wrong password, it's going to give back an error, invalid email address displayed. Right? So what you want to do is click sign up, right? And on the right side where in Firestore, right, it's going to pop up. Oh, let me type it in. Test account test account. All right. Email. What email? Let's say, what email have I used? Okay. Let's say this is the email at gmail.com, and password is password123. Let me make sure I type that in correctly. password123, and sign up, and it's gonna put you directly into your account. What you're first going to see is the title right here, the date and time, and it's gonna say your name, hello, and username right there, the same username you added right there, right? Test account. I remember I typed in test account, and boom, it's right there. What you're going to see is the first initial 5 stocks, like I said, similar to the Apple stock app. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla. Those are the default stock apps, right? You see the changes, the updates, and the current price data. You get to see the latest news. This is all updated real-time news as of today, right? This company is given, well, it shows the actual news and where it comes from, like what news feed, MarketWatch, CNBC, and let's say I wanted to, I don't really know a lot of stocks. Hold on. I know my camera has went off. Okay, Starbucks. Okay. If I search up Starbucks, boom, Starbucks pops up with the current data, the changes, and all that. So look, you can add Starbucks, right? And then you can go back to the home screen and look at that. Starbucks have been added. You get to add up to 3 stocks on your watch list. Only 3, because there's not a lot of wiggle room on this main screen. And then let's say, let me search up another stock. I don't really know a lot of stocks. T-Mobile. T-Mobile is TUS, right? Boom, it's added. Oh, I forgot to show you. On Firestore right here, it shows everybody's user logged in. I've made a lot of accounts, right? The collections, I started a collection, a document, and it collects favorites, email, username. Yeah, so the email I used right here and my favorites, right? Everybody's information is different, right? So let's say I click on this user right here. This user only has Apple and his username is Ghost. If I click on this user, he doesn't have anything, but his username is Aaron Cohn. And go on, so on. Yeah. So far I added Starbucks and T-Mobile. And if I go back to the home screen, right? Boom. T-Mobile has been added. And there goes my 3. No, not 3. There goes 2 of my favorite list stocks, and I can add 1 more. Now there's 3 stocks added. Boom. 3 stocks added, and you can see it updated right here on the right side. And yeah, essentially this is my app. It's pretty straightforward. Oh look, another news feed has been added. It's pretty straightforward. It's a simple stock app. You can search up any stock, like Apple. Boom, it gives you the real-time data. Any stock you can think of. And it's pretty straightforward, simple, and I hope you enjoy. Give me an A. You know, I tried hard working on this assignment. And yeah, this is just the explanation of my app, and I tried my best. Thank you for a great semester, professor, and I'm finna graduate. So thank you. All right, you guys be safe. Have a wonderful Christmas, and peace.